Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and today I am showing you guys a realistic what I eat in a day. Now, I know there's an elephant in the room. It's no surprise, it's no secret, but I've been gaining weight and you guys have been letting me know that. You notice. I have a personal trainer and I am making a lot more healthier choices. I'm not depriving myself because what's the fun in that? You guys know I'm a foodie and I love to eat. Contrary to popular belief, I do eat food inside of my house. It doesn't have to be delivered to me via Uber Eats or purchased from a restaurant. When I'm at home, I definitely like to eat more fruits, more vegetables, smoothies, juices. I drink plenty of water, protein shakes, but we'll get into that. Before we hop in, I just wanted to thank my friends over at 310 Nutrition for partnering with me. Lately, I have been binge watching what I eat in a day videos and workout routines, and I saw Nitra B and Catherine Bedell and Miss Remy Ashton raving about 310 Nutrition, specifically the sample pack. So I definitely wanted to see what the hype was about. One thing that I absolutely love about 310 Nutrition is they are plant-based. It's sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free, nut-free, and gluten-free. It's all about a lifestyle change and it's not about dieting. So it's easy for anyone to do it because all you have to do is make healthier choices. 310 Nutrition has a starter kit that's going to really help you kick off your lifestyle change. And right now, you guys can get it for 70% off. And this includes a meal replacement shake. You get to choose between vanilla, chocolate, and salted caramel. Vanilla is my personal favorite though. And you also get the detox tea, superfood juices, lemonade mix, shaker cup, ebooks, and a gift card. So be sure to click the link in the description box if you guys are interested. That pretty much covers everything, so let's go ahead and get into my realistic, healthier lifestyle, what I eat in a day. So I'm starting off with my glowing green smoothie. I like to make this smoothie every single morning, and the ingredients are as follows. I like to use 1 whole banana and then about 2 handfuls of baby spinach. It's already washed and it's ready to go, and mixed fruit. This particular blend of mixed fruit consists of strawberries, peaches, pineapples, and mangoes, I believe. And then I used coconut water. I don't drink coconut water by itself because it tastes absolutely disgusting, but it's great for hydration, so I like to add it in my green smoothie first thing in the morning. I'm going to blend this in my NutriBullet. I pretty much eyeball everything, so there is no set time, and I add it to this cup with a lid and a straw, and then that's it. So a few hours later, I head back down to the kitchen and I make my actual breakfast. I like to make my smoothie just to get my digestive system going, and so I'm not putting anything too heavy on my stomach first thing in the morning. But right now, I am making my oatmeal, and I like to make my oatmeal with tons and tons and tons of berries. So I just chop up some strawberries, I add some blueberries and blackberries, and this is just a regular old strainer, and I just run that under some water so I can really clean and rinse off my fruit. Now it's time for the oatmeal. This is the microwavable pack of oatmeal. It has flax seeds in it, but it's so convenient because all you have to do is empty the pack out and fill the pack itself up with water, pour that in, it's the exact measurement that you need, microwave it for about 1 minute and 30 seconds, and it's ready. So all I did was add agave and roasted cinnamon. I don't add anything else to my oatmeal as far as like to season it or spice it up. Now I'm adding some granola. This is just like vanilla granola, well, vanilla flavored granola, but it's gluten free. I like to stay away from soy and gluten and dairy. So I topped it off with my berries and my cinnamon, a little bit more agave, and now we're moving on to my protein shake. So again, I'm just eyeballing this. I filled my cup up with ice cubes, 1 scoop of the 310 protein powder, roasted cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Now I'm going to add some plant-based milk, and I'm going to blend it all together. So I blend this until it's smooth, and there's no exact time for it. I just kind of eyeball it and watch it. And now I'm going to put it in my 310 shaker bottle. And this, oh my gosh, you guys, it is so good. It is so good. I think I'm like one of those like weird people who just really enjoy the taste of protein shakes. It just reminds me of milkshakes, even though it's dairy free. And it's actually really good for me. So we're moving on to lunch. I'm just going to start off by dicing some red onion. And this is a lot, but I love red onion so much. It is so freaking good, you guys. And then I'm just going to dice up some cucumber. This is actually half of a cucumber. I love cucumber as well, so I was going to use a whole one, but I felt like that was a bit excessive. So I just sliced it in fours, the vertical way, and then I turned it and diced it the horizontal way. That's the best way I can explain how I chopped them up. So now I'm taking my shrimp. Usually I'll use chicken. I don't want y'all to think that the only thing I know how to make is shrimp, even though it's one of the few things I know how to make. I just had this on hand. It was in the freezer. So I just seasoned it with a bit of sazon completa and some Italian seasoning and a little bit of dried parsley. Stirred it all together, and now I'm just using some tongs to put it in my cast iron skillet. I just sprayed my cast iron skillet with some non-stick spray. For the shrimp, I specifically used olive oil, and now I'm just putting the shrimp into my pan. I'm keeping this, even though the clip is sped up, I'm keeping this entire clip in so you guys can see the way that I make my shrimp. So I just put it in the cast iron skillet, like make sure every shrimp is going into the skillet. I know you want to avoid overcrowding it, but I was starving, you guys, so I was ready to eat, and I wasn't really concerned about overcrowding. I just wanted to make sure my shrimp had just like a little bit of oomph to it. So now I'm going back in and I'm just flipping the shrimp over. If I've learned anything, shrimp cooks extremely quickly, so I'm not letting it sit in too long because it tends to get a little hard, chewy, a little rubbery. I still wanted to have that firm feel to it and that really nice taste to it. In addition, I left the tails on because I read somewhere that it cooks, it just cooks a little bit better and tastes a little bit better. It retains flavor better when it has the tails on. I don't mind picking up a shrimp from my salad and just taking the tail off and eating it that way. So I just take it out of the pan, turn the eye of the stove off, push my skillet back, and there are my shrimpies. So now I've taken about 3 handfuls of baby spinach and arugula mixed together. I'm dumping on my onions and my cucumbers that I also rinsed off in my strainer. And now I'm adding one of my favorite foods. This is Kalamata olives. I love olives. Leave me a comment down below if you guys love like more like sour foods like olives and pickles, and I just, fermented fruits for the win. So now I'm adding capers. So I'm modeling the salad after the Greek salad that you would get at Papado, but I didn't feel like going out to eat for this meal. I had all of this on hand, so I wanted to make it at home. So now I just dump my shrimp on top, squeeze a fresh lemon, and I'm adding a tiny bit of Greek salad dressing, and that's it. That's my lunch. To drink, I'm going to have my 310 Nutrition Lemonade. This is the raspberry flavor. Just give that a nice little shake and a bottle of purified water. Now, this would not be realistic if I did not go out to eat, because you guys know I go out to eat all the time because I don't know my way around the kitchen all that well. So we're gonna go pick up some pho. I have been loving pho, especially during the colder months. So I picked up the vegan pho. It comes with tofu, but I personally asked for no tofu because, again, I'm trying to avoid soy. So I'm just eating the vegetable pho with snap peas, mushrooms, carrots, and broccoli. I add everything from the baggie except the bean sprouts. It's a texture thing, you guys. I'm not sure what it is about the bean sprouts, but I'm just not a huge fan. I eat quite a bit of pho, so I like to customize it to my liking with the sauces that I have on hand at home. So I just add a little bit more sriracha, a little bit more hoisin, and chili garlic sauce. You can get all of these sauces from your local grocery store. I knew what sauces they had at the restaurants, and I just got them from the store, so I customize it how I like. And honestly, guys, that is it. That is my realistic what I eat in a day. Okay guys, that is it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this realistic what I eat in a day. If you did, give this video a big, huge thumbs up and let me know what is like your signature dish that you can make. My signature dish, I would say, is probably spaghetti, the basic of the basic. I think I have mastered spaghetti. And no, I don't make anything from scratch, but I think it's really good. If you guys would like to see me do another what I eat in a day, definitely let me know down below. And until next time, stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.